Welcome to Stocks Miner. We have greater challenges ahead in the stock market. Let's make it easy. Hi there. I'm John from Stocks Miner. Let's talk about stocks and their news. Tower Talk, July 17, 2021. Nagarjuna Fertilizers, whispers says one big fertilizer player eyeing on this. Sandesh Limited, the Gujarati daily published in Ahmedabad since 1923 has 6 other editions now and has notched 47% higher FY21 EPS of 117 rupees on its small equity of 7 crore rupees. The share, which made a lifetime high of 1,509 rupees on December 29, 2017, may touch 1,600 rupee mark. Buy. 85-year-old Rajapalayam Mills makes yarns from cotton, lensing modal and tensile fibers for export to Japan, Italy, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Dubai. Part of the Ramco Group, its 14% stake in Ramco Cements is valued at 3,660 crore rupees. It posted 55% higher Q4 EPS of 37 rupees and 70 paise and 10% higher FY21 EPS of 117 rupees and 60 paise. APE of 12x will take its share price to 1,411 rupees in the medium term. Prima Agro, engaged in different agro-based industrial activities, has 3 facilities in Cochin and Trivandrum for ready-mixed cattle feed and a major supplier to KSE Ltd has notched over 1,000% higher Q4 EPS of 2 rupees and 60 paise and FY21 7 rupees and 30 paise, which may lead to FY22 EPS of Rs.10+. Buy for 40% appreciation. A Gujarat-based analyst recommends to buy BSE on the NSE, Vector Food, Den Networks, Phase 3 Auto Fab, Godavari Drugs, Hercules Hoists, Hindustan Tin Works, Hindustan Oil Exploration, MKXM, India, Ram Ratna Wires, RDB Rasayan and Steel City Securities on NSE. Schleip Gravure, the leader in electromechanical engraving, a precision technology, has garnered FY21 EPS of 16 rupees and 70 paise, which could lead to FY22 EPS to 20 rupees on its small equity of 6.1 crore rupees. The share made a lifetime high of 180 rupees on October 11, 2017, may advance by 40%. Buy. Dalbras Engineering, a leading manufacturer of automobile axle shafts having 4 plants, is a strong company with a share of 124 rupees. It posted 10,455% higher Q4 EPS of 9 rupees and 50 paise and 166% higher FY21 EPS of 21 rupees and 20 paise, which may lead to FY22 EPS of Rs.40+. The share, which made a lifetime high of 824 rupees on October 11, 2017, is expected to touch 480 rupees in the medium term. Buy. Mangalam Cement, a BK Birla Group Co., with 5 MPA capacity, a 17.5 megawatts power plant and 13.65 megawatts of wind power, has notched 135% higher Q4 EPS of 13 rupees and 60 paise and 44% higher FY21 EPS of 44 rupees. A reasonable PE of 10x will take its share price to 440 rupees in the medium term. Buy. Windsor Machines, a leading manufacturer of plastic processing and technical collaboration with Italtech Plastic Technology, Italy, DHE Machines, Switzerland, ProTool, Switzerland, and Kuna, Germany, with 3 plants in India and 1 in Italy, has covered its losses and posted FY21 EPS of 2 rupees and 10 paise, FV2 rupees, which could lead to an EPS of over 6 rupees in FY22. The share is poised to more than double in the medium term. Accumulate. Banswara Syntax Manufacturing man-made synthetic blended yarn, wool and wool mixed yarn and all types of fabrics, Jacquard furnishing fabrics, ready-made garments and made-ups, has posted Q4 FY21 EPS of 9 rupees and 80 paise, which could take FY22 EPS to Rs.42.45. The share is poised to double from the current level. Anup Engineering, catering to a wide range of process industries with its extensive product range, has notched Q4 EPS of 27 rupees and FY21 EPS of 52 rupees and 50 paise, which could lead to FY22 EPS of Rs.80+ on its small equity of 9.8 crore rupees. The share is expected to appreciate by over 50% going ahead. Buy. The shares of GNFC are going cheap in the fertilizer segment as the company posted Q4 EPS of 20 rupees and FY21 EPS of 45 rupees, which could lead to FY22 EPS of 60 rupees. Buy for 40% gain. SMC Global, a well-diversified financial services company offering one-stop investment solutions in trading and investments, serves over 18 lakh investors with its presence in 500 cities in India and overseas. It has over 3,000 crore rupees AUM and has notched 500% higher Q4 EPS of 2 rupees and 90 paise and FY21 EPS of 9 rupees, which could take its FY22 EPS to Rs.15+. Buy for 40% gain. Archie's Limited has ventured into the beauty business with the launch of a dedicated website archiesbeauty.com. Beauty products is one of the fastest growing consumer segments, and brands that have boarded include Skin by Titan, Mama Earth, Beardo the Man Company, etc. Its book value stands at 28 rupees, but if the success of recent beauty startups is anything to go by, Archie's can go a long way from here on. Broking space has been abuzz with rising markets. Many large fintech cos are looking to acquire small broking cos that already have a decent customer base and are available at decent valuations. BSE listed Joindre Capital trades cheap at a market cap of just 40 crore and can be a good takeover candidate. India has approved backhaul satellite connectivity via SATs for telcos to ensure uninterrupted cell broadband protection in far and distant areas. Nelco Limited, a Tata Group co., is the largest SAT provider in the country and trades cheap at a market cap of just Rs.800 crore. Buy for multi-bagger gains. HDFC MF holds about 7% equity stake in Chambal Fertilizers, but Zuari Agro is being avoided by the market due to doubts on the promoters. But the promoters are the same, and Zuari Agro once used to trade at Rs.700+ level. At 150 rupees, it is a no-brainer and can easily multiply several times from the current level. An analyst specializing in long-term picks recommends TVS Electronics, Jubilant Industries, Jivanger, Marksons Pharma, Hemisphere Properties and Shimaru Entertainment for multi-bagger gains. Pay 197 Communications plans a 16,600 crore IPO and has received SEBI clearance. This will re-rate Digispus Technologies as it trades at a market cap of just Rs.1100 cr. Buy for multifold returns. After a long consolidation, Edelweiss Financial Services has started its move up with huge volumes. The stock is available at one-time book value and is trading cheap compared to its peers. Backed by marquee investors, buy for a target of 140 rupees. Gold loan companies have been treated as underdogs despite their consistent performance. Both Manappuram Finance and Muthoot Finance deserve another look. Larsen & Toubro looks good in every way. With infrastructure as the buzzword, there is nothing better than LMT. The added bonanza comes from its IT subsidiaries. Moldtech Packaging is as colorful as its clients like Asian Paints. Ganges Securities has 19% stake in Siluj Textiles, 7% in Oud Sugar, 19% in SIL Investments, 1% in Chambal Fertilizers valued at 410 crore rupees, and a 746-hectare tea garden in Assam through its 100% subsidiary, Sinatolaya Tea Estate valued about 300 crore rupees. The co. is debt-free and the stock trades at 88% to NAV. Buy for 50% gains within a year. After the merger agreement with Embassy Group, India Bulls Real Estate has 80.8 million square foot of development potential, making it one of the largest development platform in India. Given its pan-India presence in commercial residential markets and the rally in real estate stocks, this script could touch 200 rupees. Maheshwari Logistics is into logistics, dealing in coal and manufacturing craft paper. It has a ROCE of 11.8% but has not participated in the recent rally of paper and logistics stocks. Its Q4 sales grew 35% at 238 crore rupees. From Rs.176 while PAT zoomed over 5,000% to 8.21 crore rupees. From 0.16 crore rupees. The stock could rise to 250 rupees. Tata Elexi's Q1 profits soared 65% to 113 crore rupees. On all-around growth. It provides design technology services across industries including automotive, broadcast, communications, healthcare and transportation. A good long-term buy. Demat accounts with CDSL have crossed 4 crore. Big income potential will push up its share price further. Buy. HFCL's Q1 sales doubled and profits quadrupled to 90.69 crore rupees. But its share price is subdued on being shifted to the B category, trade to trade. Once this restriction is eased, the share price will fly again. A good bargain hunting opportunity. Buy. Infosys consolidated Q1 grew 2.3% to 5,195 crore rupees over Q4 FY21. Its growth is likely to continue as the management has raised FY22 revenue forecast by 1%. Add this evergreen share. Sri Renuka Sugars has huge expansion plans and will definitely benefit from the ethanol story. A must-buy from this sector. ASM Technologies, manufacturer of semiconductors, is fast expanding capacities. The revenues are also slated to jump this year. TCS plans to expand its Arizona operations by investing over $300 million by 2026 and hiring over 220 employees by 2023. At current rates, TCS is still a lucrative buy. BCG recommended by Money Times around 13 rupees less than 2 months ago had a dream run and quotes over 40 rupees. Better to sell off half the holdings before a correction sets in. Balrampur Chini, one of the largest integrated sugar mills, is on a huge expansion spree and funds raised by commercial papers are being used for working capital. High-energy batteries price has doubled in just 1 month since Money Times recommended it. It has a backlog of 2 years and has paused accepting fresh orders. Expansion is now imminent. This share must be added. The sugar industry expects the sugar stock to fall to a 4-year low of about 31 MMT. With an expected scramble for sugar by ethanol-producing companies, it would be prudent to add Rana Sugars and Bajaj Hindustan. NMDC intends to demerge its steel plant and this is likely to unlock value for investors. IT major, Wipro, posted its best ever quarter with Q1 PAT jumping 9% to 3,248 crore rupees. From 2,974.3 crore rupees. Q4 FY21. It expects the trend to continue. Add on every decline. After Money Times recommended Rama Phosphates around 100 rupees 3 months back, the share price has zoomed to 329 rupees. Now ace investor, Dolly Khanna, has bought a big chunk around 300 rupees. Sell 30% and hold the balance. Tata Metallics Q1 NP of 94.74 crore rupees. vs loss of 12.42 crore rupees. In Q1 FY21 is on the back of lifting COVID-related restrictions. The EPS stood at 29 rupees and 99 paise vs minus 4 rupees and 40 paise. An excellent share to add. Untitled Technologies has monopoly orders from the defense sector. Add this golden share in the portfolio for long-term. Accumulate. Rossari Biotech is reportedly in advanced negotiations to buy a specialty chemicals company for 100 rupees to 125 cr. Add before the news is out. L&T Infotech's Q1 NP rose 19.3% to 496.8 crore rupees. YOY. The company has also added 2,300 employees to its workforce of 38,298. A good long-term investment. Accumulate. Mindtech India, a global technology company, caters to healthcare, life sciences and medical devices, manufacturing and industrial automation, semiconductors, storage and energy, is reportedly faring extremely well. Add for quick profits. Vadilal Industries, a leading ice cream company, has posted Q4 operating profit of 27.92 crore rupees against operating loss of 9.36 crore rupees in Q4 FY20 and Q4 PAT of 16.54 crore rupees as against loss of 14.04 crore rupees in Q4 FY20. Buy for decent gains in the short to medium term. All broking companies are faring well, but a lesser-known Steel City Securities, listed on the NSE, is available around P of 10x only. The promoters have raised their stake by 6% and the company has declared 25% dividend. An attractive buy can become a multi-bagger. Indian Bank will report much improved Q1 results as all major NPAs have been taken care of. The share is on the recovery path. Accumulate. Phase 3 Autofab announced 67% jump in PBT of 14.11 crore rupees. Versus 8.44 cr. In FY20. It is a manufacturer and supplier of automotive fabrics to major OEMs in India and overseas. The stock trades at an attractive P of just 10x. The promoter's high stake of 75% shows their confidence in the co. Buy for 30% gain in the short term. Skipper Limited, the manufacturer of power transmission and telecom towers, is vertically integrated with its own angle manufacturing and nearby and raw material from sales Durgapur plant. It is the second largest in India and is an emerging global player after Valmont. Buy for a decent gain in the medium to long term. If it crosses 97 rupees with volumes, then it will enter a strong bullish zone. MKXM, India, is into textiles but is now marketing of international cosmetic brands in India. It posted 336% higher FY21 profit at 8 rupees and 7 paise cr versus Rs.13.6 in FY20. The stock is available at very attractive P of just 6x. Buy for a multi-bagger gains in the medium to long term. Marine Electricals, India, won an order of 33.84 crore rupees, taking the total order book to 509 crore rupees. To be executed over 2 years. It posted FY21 revenue of 251.3 crore rupees. Disclaimer. We encourage all investors to use the information on the site as a resource only and should further do their own research on all featured companies, stocks, sectors, markets and information presented on this video. Nothing published on this video should be considered as investment advice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.